Hey everyone, Tanu here with Enkrypt AI. Welcome back to our Academy video series. In this video, we'll explore the MCP Scan Hub, and we'll start off at the platform homepage. I'll go over to the sidebar and click on MCP Hub. And we already see 23,000 plus MCPs that our team has scanned for you. Of course, we found all the different tools and all the different vulnerabilities as well. If you scroll down, let's have a look at our vulnerability types. You can click the toggle tip and find all the AI native and AI specific risks that we have been scanning for. Let's close this. Then you can look at all the different MCPs we scan for in a simple list. So if there's any MCP that you are concerned about, you can simply search that up and take a look at some of the MCPs that we have found. So let's now click into the MCP server scan report. You can see our process where we download the MCP server, we discover all the tools, and then we scan them for all their risks. Now, when you scroll down, you can look at every single risk that we have found. Each risk comes with the exact code snippet that we find to be risky, the recommendation for how to fix this risk, as well as the file path that actually has this risk. So any team that's interested in using public MCPs can simply consult our MCP Scan Hub or scan an MCP yourself and then figure out exactly where to implement the fixes. After you do this, you can then scan that MCP again, and hopefully you should find a much lower risk score. So now let's go back in. We can just look at another MCP over here. So here we find a lot more risks, and you can then explore this at your own cadence and figure out, what type of risks you really need to protect against. And let's now look at scanning a new MCP. It's as easy as finding a GitHub repo. So this is for HubSpot, a very popular CRM tool, and it seems pretty reputable with 112 stars. So let's now copy this repo link. Let's go back into our MCP Hub. Then let's scan this MCP. I'm going to enter in my Enkrypt AI account email. Great. So in this case, because we had already scanned this MCP, the report came back instantly, but this would normally take 1 to 5 minutes if it's an MCP repo that isn't on our Scan Hub. So, of course, we have gotten back a very similar report. And of course, when you get this report, you can now fix all these issues and use this MCP server without any issues. For enterprise customers, we can also offer scanning of private MCP repos. So you can build your own enterprise MCP registry that all your teams can select from, knowing that they are safe and free from any critical risks, like we have already seen in the industry today. Thank you very much. That was all for this video, and I'll see you next time.